And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera just about an hour ago, looking towards lovely downtown Lethbridge. We're mostly cloudy. 2 degrees where we are right now. Our low was -2. We hit that at midnight, stayed there for a few hours, and our daytime high today was 3 degrees. We hit that at noon, and we stayed there for a few hours today. Winds are out of the west. They have been stronger than what they are right now at 43 kilometers per hour. Our humidity level is still a little high, but that is expecting to reduce in the overnight hours and as we get into the ensuing days, because our atmosphere is going to be drying out. Temperatures all over above the freezing mark, so that bodes well. Some areas, though, to the north, a little further to the north in the minus values, and some areas to the west, the Continental Divide as well. Very unorganized systems of low pressure trying to make their way into southern Alberta, but we've also got the influence of a southwesterly flow. Nice areas of high pressure are already starting to combine and make their way, solidifying themselves in southern Alberta. So for the next few days, we are going to have very quiet radar, very quiet satellite map in terms of cloud cover or any precipitation to talk about. Little pocket of precipitation just south of Drumheller showing up on radar right now. But the main precipitation, of course, is to the west of the Continental Divide, and that'll continue for the next few days. We'll have that mixed precipitation. As I said, possibility of just a little drift off because we're in that Chinook flow where the upper level winds are very strong, and it's strong at the surface as well. And then some of that cloud cover does tend to override the area of high pressure and then deposit itself further closer to the Saskatchewan border. Down east, we have wind warnings in Atlantic Canada. We have a north-south trough that's making its way this direction. So right now, rainfall has been a concern in the Toronto area, and it's going to be hitting Ottawa. But down there, their record values, 18, 19 degrees those locations got to today, so they broke some existing records. -9 in Winnipeg right now with some cloud cover. Cold temperatures still in Regina and Saskatoon, but they'll be warming up come the weekend. -1 in Edmonton, and then we've got cloud in Vancouver right now. We've got cloud in Whitehorse as well, and it is sunny right now and chilly in Yellowknife at -16 degrees. Your regional forecast coming up. East Kootenay looking at mainly cloudy skies tonight with a chance of a flurry. -5 for a low. Tomorrow cloudy. Chance of a flurry as well. 0 for a high. West winds in the afternoon hours. Crow's Nest Pass, a few clouds tonight. 0 for an overnight low. Windy tonight. Windy tomorrow. Sun and cloud mix for you and +1. Medicine Hat, a few clouds tonight down to -9. It says -1. It should be +1 tomorrow. Mainly sunny for you folks, in the southwest wind at 20 kilometers per hour. Lethbridge, we're looking at windy conditions tonight, a few clouds down to -6, mainly sunny tomorrow, windy in the afternoon, +3 for a daytime high. And there's your 5-day forecast, as you can see, as we get into the rest of the week and heading towards the weekend. Look at that, 10 degrees and sunny on Saturday. But that area of high pressure, you can see that being reflected in those very nice temperatures. I'll step out of frame and let you take a look at the record temperatures. And just a bit of trivia for the Friday and Saturday numbers that you see there. In 2008, we were 15 degrees on the Friday and 18 degrees on the Saturday. So not a record, but it was pretty warm on those 2 days in 2008.